The Verizon Management Mesh is a multi-dimensional matrix of things that C-level representatives need to think about when they're setting up, managing, and progressing their organization. Now, as an emerging technology, again, I'm not the most technical on this, but that doesn't matter for the terms of my role and where we sit here. So the management mesh is something that the example I've managed to create for Cloud Gateway has been used by the IFDC in a number of webinars. So I'd like to explain to you how it features in our management mesh, and then how it might feature in the customer's management mesh. So in our management mesh, it's at the absolute core of everything we do. Cloud computing is the world we're in, it's the business we're in, it's what our product does. So everything we do needs to be considered against the cloud and against the latest technologies, against the various providers. So it's absolutely the core of what we do. But for our customers, it's one of a number of technologies and a number of management techniques and a number of challenges that they have. So organizations need to understand that one particular cloud provider, one particular strategy might not be the silver bullet to solve all their problems. They might need to have combinations of cloud providers, of hybrid products. So where it's positioned within a company who has got a maturing management mesh, they need to consider their strategic decision, what they're doing for their customers and end users against the number of factors of which the cloud is one. So it's absolutely vital that it is in their mesh, that whenever they're taking a decision, they analyze that decision against current cloud technology, information, and the various suppliers. But it's one of many decisions that organizations have to take, whereas in Cloud Gateway, it's absolutely at the core of everything we do. So the management mesh, again, each organization's got to make sure that their management mesh, it must never sit still. It must mature. I mean, the E of Verizon is evolving. If you don't evolve, if you have the same management mesh for 12 months, I would argue you're not evolving, that you're defeating the whole point of Verizon. So your management mesh must evolve as business evolves, as technology evolves, and as an organization and as its customer base. The mesh evolves with them to continually give them a tool to do what they need to.